Okay, we're going to do a book. Who's ever heard of Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men cannot put Humpty Dumpty together again. The little girl with a curl. There was a little girl who had a little curl right in the middle of her forehead. When she was good, she was very, very good. And when she was bad, she was horrible. Handy Pandy, Jack and Dandy, loves plum cake and sugar candy. He bought some at a grocer's shop. Out he came, hop, hop, hop. And here's the one on Humpty Dumpty. I'm not sure that I got all the picture of Humpty Dumpty. Bow, wow, wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tom Tinker's dog. Bow, wow, wow. Polly Suki. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. And let's drink tea. Shuki, take it off again. Shuki, take it off again. Shuki, take it off again. They're all gone away. So she's making tea and they all left. Georgie Porgy, pudding and pie, kissed the girls and made them cry. When the boys came out to play, Georgie Porgy ran away. 3 wise men of Gotham, 3 wise men of Gotham went to sea in a bowl. If the bowl had been stronger, my song had been longer. Oh dear, what can the matter be? 2 old women got up in an apple tree. One came down and the other stayed till Saturday. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." My kitten, hey my kitten, and hey my kitten, my dearie. Such a sweet pet as this was neither far nor near. One misty, moisty morning. One misty, moisty morning when cloudy was the weather, I chanced to meet an old man clothed all in leather. He began to compliment and I began to grin. And how do you do, and how do you do? How do you do, you do? And how do you do and do again? The cat and the fiddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. These are little rhymes. The man of Bombay. There was a fat man of Bombay who was smoking one sunshiny day when a bird caught a snipe, flew away with a pipe, and which vexed the fat man of Bombay. Hot cross buns, 1 penny to a penny. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Sing a song of sixpence, sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing, was not that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his courting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden hanging out the clothes when down came a blackbird and snapped off her nose. Barber, barber, shave a pig. How many hairs will make a wig? 4 and 20, that's enough. Give the barber a pinch of snuff. The man in the moon. The man in the moon came tumbling down and asked the way to Norwich. He went by the south and burnt his mouth with eating cold peace porridge. A sure test. If you are a gentleman, as I suppose you'll be, you'll neither laugh nor smile for a tickling of the knee. Pussycat and Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you see? What did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Five toes. The little pig went to market. This little pig went to market. This little pig stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. This little pig said, wee, 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 I can't find my way home. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jumped over the candlestick. And that's the end.